quickly show you guys how to replace a battery for an HP EliteBook. Okay, you can buy the battery on Amazon, $32. Before you do that, so what you do is you buy $32. You look in the back right here. You have to unscrew. There are 9 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Once you unscrew that, there's the SD slot. Take it out, and there's an additional one in there, so that's a 10th one, right? Now, once you have that, you're gonna need a flathead like this, so you can pry. Credit card works too, especially those metal credit cards. But I always start with the hinges right here, where it holds the screen together. Oh. Usually it doesn't come up like that. Usually I gotta pry. That one was like a perfect fit. But as you can see, let's see if I press it down. Yeah, that one came up really easy. I want to make sure I show you guys realistically what it should be like. Yeah. So pull it up like that, and then you can slowly go around like that, and you can hear it come up. And all right. Once it's up like that, I'll just flip it around. Just like that. Okay. So now I'm going to lift the back out. Next, you're going to see this is the battery right here. The battery is held onto the keyboard with 2 screws right here. Philip head. You use the same drill bit. Unscrew it. It doesn't go all the way out. It is actually attached to this, so just unscrew it once you notice it's fully loose. Leave it be. Unscrew, and then there's going to be a little sticker right here, like a little ribbon. That's for pulling it up. Pull it, lift it. That's it, guys. Literally, that's how easy it is. You just swap your battery out if you have an issue with the battery and you got to move this around for work, right? You're okay if you're stationary and you're plugging it. You can't walk around because the battery die instantly. $30, swap it out. That's it. Other than that, put the new battery in, put it back in, close it up. That's all it is. I'll drop the link to the battery down below. If you have any questions, drop it down below, please. Any question, comments, other than that. If you find this helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe. It helps a lot. Thanks a lot.